Alright, to mount your camera on a tripod using landscape, so I decided to use a bench right here. So what you need to do is make sure you move the camera towards where you want to sit, or even if you want to stand, it's fine. Then you can do some gestures and make sure you don't forget this particular position you are right now. So when you are done with this first scene, you need to shift the camera away from that particular position so that it will be able to capture the two characters that are going to be on the scene. You get my point? Now you go in there, walk in there and sit just like the way you sat before. You can decide to change it or you can, but make sure you still sit there. Then you lift up your right leg and lift up your left leg, trying to dodge bullets. Then you can bend your head. You can do any gesture of your choice. Then when you're done with that one, you can walk and then move to the other end of the screen. Then you do as if you are standing like a superhero. Then you hit that shit, use your leg to hit it. When that is done, you can now walk away. So guys, you are not done. And guys, before we continue, I noticed some of us do forget to hit the like button when watching tutorials like this. Please, that's the only way you can support my brand. You get my point? So now the next thing you are going to shoot is for you to come towards this other end of the screen. Now just walk in with, you can go with a toy gun or a stick or anything. So I had to go with this laptop battery. I use it like a gun. So you just point it at towards where the right leg was, then you point towards the left leg and towards where the time you bended your head, then you move in, understand, move in from there. Then you move as if something just hit you. Make sure you hit the chair down, you bench down, understand. Make sure you act it very well, just like I nearly wounded myself when I did this thing. Guys, you get my point? It's not easy, so that's why I deserve a like from you. You get my point? Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Ask me any question, I'll be there to answer you 100%. So when that is done, guys, you are good to go. You save your videos to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Now on Capcut, click on new project and import the videos you just recorded. You get my point? So now we need to mute this clip so that we won't be getting the noise from the background. You get my point? So now this is how you want the video to start. So you move the video to where you want it to start. I want my own to start from where I'm putting my hands on my head, just like somewhere here. So you tap on the video layer, tap on split and delete the beginning of the video. Now let's move over to where the first clip is gonna end. So at this point where the character is about to lift his head, that's where I want my own to end. So I will tap on the video layer somewhere right here. Then I will click on split. Then I will delete the ending part of the video because I don't want that other part to be included. You get my point? Click on this plus button you see right here to bring in the other video recorded. So look at the video right here. You get my point? So at this point we want to set how we want this video to start. So what is going to happen now, you're going to move the video clip to that particular point where the character is about to lift his head, or you can decide to, depending on how you shot this other clip right here. So you tap on the video layer, tap on split and delete the beginning of that particular clip. So when you are done with that one, that's perfect. So the next thing for you to do right here is to move the video to this other part where the character bends his head down. You need to disappear from there. So immediately you get to this point, as the character wants to lift up his head, this is where you are going to tap on the video layer. So you tap on the video layer right here, then you click on split, and then guys, you are not going to delete this other part because you need to cross to this other side of the screen to continue with your action, understand? So from this point you fold your arms, the head, this way this other side is going to start. So you tap on the video layer as it is, then you click on split, then you will have to delete the middle part of it right here. You get my point? Delete it, brother, delete it. So you're going to have something like this. So that's how it's going to be. So when you hit the guy, then you move away. So this is how I want the whole video to end. So from here you can decide to end your own this way. So this is where you're going to tap on split. You tap on split right here. You get my point, guys. Please let me know if you are following. If you have any issue, let me know in the comment section. I'll be able to assist you 100%. You get my point. So you move the video, you will not delete this part as it is, like you keep on moving the video to when you get to where the other character is going to walk in from the other side of the screen. So from here like this, depending on how you want it to be, but you want it to be the way I did mine, you have to follow it step by step. So from here now, you tap on split, then you delete this middle part here. So when you delete the middle part, this is how it's going to be. This guy has ended and this one has come out from here. You get my point? So make sure you are with your toy gun or anything you use. Like I said, I use laptop battery. Honestly, it's funny, man, but it can kill. So as you can see, this is the last clip. You get my point. So you tap on it, go and look for overlay. Overlay. All right, see overlay, click on overlay right here. So the video is going to come down. So press and hold, then you are going to drag it, not to the beginning of the video, but let's keep dragging. I'm going to tell you where to stop. So you just keep dragging it. All right, so look at this particular place here on the first layer where we split it. So you're going to align it right there. So it's going to be something like this. Don't worry, we are going to correct everything, but make sure it's aligned right there. Now tap on the second layer as it is. Now go and look for mask. Where is this mask? Click on mask. Click on horizontal right here. Now click on adjust so that you can rotate it. So you have to rotate it so it will reveal the two characters right here. You can make it 90 degrees. You get my point? So now you click on OK. Let's get back to the main page. So look at it right here. Now what we need to do is to set the timing. You know, when the guy shot the other guy on the bench, understand the time you pointed your hand to shoot and the time the other guy lifted his leg. So we need to use the speed option to do the timing. So now where is speed? Click on speed. You click on normal. So at this point you tap on each layer you want to use for this. You can go and reduce it. You can go and increase the speed depending on the timing you use when you shot the video, if you can get it, understand. But if you didn't get it right when you were shooting the video, you can use the speed here to increase and decrease the timing. You get my point? I believe with this you'll be able to get this particular one. You get my point? So as you can see, the character disappeared because that other clip ended right there. So now what we want to do, we want to get to that point where the character appeared behind this first character. Look at it somewhere here. So we will have to, as we splitted it right here, so what we're going to do here is to tap on this particular layer, go and look for overlay. You get my point? So see overlay, click on overlay. Now drag it, just bring it, drag it backward. Just keep dragging it, so you don't even need to join it without a layer, because we need to create a space where this other character walk away, understand. Now you want to bring it right here, you understand. So you need to, at this point, you go to mask. Where is mask? So you click on mask. When you click on mask, so you click on horizontal, so it will reveal the two characters. You get my point? I don't know if you get my point, but if you get my point, kudos to you, congrats. So you can tap on adjust and then turn it, use rotate option, then turn it to make sure it reveals the two characters. You get my point? So you can now click on position, then move it backward, so it will show the two characters, which is like what you are seeing on your screen right now. So it will be as if the other character just appeared behind him. You get my point? So you can play along with the feather option just to blend the background color. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying right here, because I don't want this video to be too long, but I believe with this you are good to go. So the next thing you're going to do, you just click on add keyframe to that particular mask icon. So as the character is moving, you move the keyframe towards the character's back. Understand? So that when this other character is about to lift his leg will not be cut out. Guys, I believe you get my point. Just like what I'm just saying now. So you're going to move this line, this stroke right here, to get to the back of this other character. So if you're not watching this video to the end, guys, like I said, you are missing a lot, because at this point you may not get to know how to do this if you are not watching this video now. So like I said, I deserve a thumbs up. Like this video, and this video is supposed to get 10 million views. Understand? 10 million views. So if I'm not getting 10 million views, it means you are not sharing this video, it means you are not liking this video. And you know, when you like videos like this is your own way of supporting my channel. So that is how to do it. So you can now click on OK. So now this is how the video is going to play. Immediately the character walks a bit, then the other character will appear behind him. So if you notice, I think they are too close, so you can tap on the layer and adjust it, or you can decide to leave it to be there. You get my point? So as you can see, you've done the major part of the video, and the next thing for you to do is to add your effect. When you are done adding your effect, guys, you are good to go. So you don't have much things to do again right here. If you want me to mentor you on how to edit videos, I mean one-on-one, you can DM me. My WhatsApp link is in the description of this video, so you can go there and send me a message. You get my point? And I will take you for 1 month. Please, I don't need much people, just very few, so I'll be able to take them. You get my point? So without wasting much time, so guys, see you in our next video.